Hey guys, please excuse the way I sound. I am currently dealing with the flu, but that's a story for a whole other time. Oh. And Lucy wants to say hi to everyone. Hi, baby. Yeah. Anyways, I know it's not my usual background. I'm actually in my living room. It's the best lighting right now, and I'm actually using my phone to film this video right now. My camera is dead and it's currently charging. Anyways, I have a pretty exciting video. I was contacted by a brand over on Instagram by the name of MizTag, and they wanted to send me some products for me to try and give you guys my honest opinion. And complete disclaimer, okay? I've never used anything like this before. In fact, I wasn't even sure that I can buy a specific type of product anywhere else besides Lush. What am I talking about? I'm talking about shampoo and conditioner bars. And I got it today. I haven't opened it yet. I'm opening it here with you guys. So, pretty purple, my favorite color. Some directions and a little bit about them. And you can actually find the products on Amazon. I will link that below along with their Instagram. So here is the box. I have the shampoo bar, which is lavender scent, and the conditioner bar, chamomile. There's something else in the box. Let's see. Alright, I got a little bag. It's like the loofah type material. Oh, this is cute. And a little rack. And I actually saw something, yes, on the instructions or directions on how to use the bars. There's also a care instructions, and this is a little rack to try them on. That is pretty awesome. I'm gonna open the shampoo bar. And also, before I forget, what about the company? I just had it here. So I'm on their Instagram. Don't mind my iPad. They are a sustainable living, eco-friendly, reusable products, reduced plastic type of company, which is pretty awesome. I've never heard of other companies doing stuff like this besides Lush. So that's pretty awesome. Alright, I'm gonna open the bar, the shampoo bar. If I can open it. That was my dog. It's wrapped in paper. That's what the bar looks like. Oh, that is pretty. It has lavender on it. It does smell like lavender. But the smell reminds me of my grandmother's restroom. Though I haven't seen her or been to her house in a very long time, the smell, it's unforgettable. By the way, I love lavender. And purple, again, my favorite color. Like my blanket, which belonged to my grandpa. Anyways, here is the conditioner bar. This is in chamomile. Struggle. That was not a struggle at all, but I bent the lid. Oops. Again, wrapped in paper. Oh, this is nice. It looks like a giant lemon drop. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. That's what it looks like. And luckily, it is hair wash day, so I'm excited to use these. And yeah, I'll give you my first impressions after I go wash my hair. So I will see you guys in a bit. Bye. Well, not bye, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, my first impression of the shampoo bar and conditioner. Let me just say, It lathers so good. The shampoo smells amazing. The suds that I got was amazing and washed my hair so good. The conditioner is amazing as well. I love them both. Love the way they smell. Now they're going to be drying in my... So let's see how my hair brushes. Oh, that is so easy. And it's all done. I'm just gonna blow dry my hair and straighten it, and then I'll give you more information about the product and where you can buy it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. My hair feels amazing. I did have to put some heat protectant, obviously, but it feels amazing. Alright, oh, I am so glad I use this product. Anyways, the shampoo and conditioner do not have any parabens, any silicones, or any palm oil. It's actually just all natural ingredients without any of the nasty stuff that make your hair heavy and dull. It's like, my hair feels super clean. Anyways, like I said earlier, you can find this product on Amazon. I will link it below. I will link the Instagram with the company. Check them out. I highly recommend them. And I think Lucy wants to say bye to you guys one more time. Yeah, she loves the camera. Anyways, I highly recommend it. And it's not that expensive. It's pretty affordable compared to Lush, actually. It's really affordable. I highly recommend it. Check it out. You won't regret it. Your hair will feel amazing. It will smell amazing. And no harsh chemicals or parabens or silicones or any other nasty stuff. And it's cruelty-free. Okay? It's amazing. They don't test on animals. It's vegan, no GMOs, none of that. It's all natural. And the packaging, clearly, you can use the tins over again. You can use the rack for anything you want. And I mean, the box itself is recyclable along with the confetti. It's all paper. It's all recyclable. So there's no waste whatsoever. Check them out. I highly recommend them. Alright, I'm gonna go smell them again because I am in love with it. And you can't go wrong with chamomile and lavender. And together is aromatherapy heaven. That's all I gotta say. Really, check them out. You won't regret it. See you guys. Bye.